turaigo tukite ha muthenya wa umuthi nigetha turugume na Senator Karungo wa Thang'wa niwe senator wakwa wa Kiambu na turaigo uguo tondu senator nani twe below 40 years nikuga riu ni ha Gen Z nio maratangatagwo na hindi ya maandamano ma Gen Z andu aria morire miri yao na nituramera riu tutie na guoya pepo ni araigire ira ithuĩ twĩ mapepo na niwe pepo no nĩtũrenda kũmũingata thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu mumere atumia othe na atumia othe a Kenya atumia othe a nginya Nyĩrĩ ĩno tũrĩ mwĩtĩkĩre tũcoke maru tũhoere ciana icio ciakuire mageria igana rĩmwe na tũhoere arĩa matigarĩte muoyo niĩ na Karungo na acimu aya me gũkũ arĩa marenda kũninwo nĩgetha atĩ tũtikarie we waga kwaria mũno atumia please ĩtĩkĩrai tũhoere bũrũri ũyũ witũ na mwĩtĩkĩre tumĩre tondu mũndũ ũyũ arenda gũtũnina no tondu kũrĩ Ngai igũrũ nĩwe ũgũthira mbere wewe ndio pepo sisi pepo
na andũ arĩa macokerio ngatho nĩ ũndũ wa gũthara muoyo wa Karungo wa Thang'wa tondũ rĩrĩa Karungo wa Thang'wa gwathanire akĩanjia gũtengerio na mabanga na indo iria ingĩ ciothe ciakĩrĩ kũu Karungo athire mũciĩ ũmwe na agĩkora mũtumia warugaga njahi na mutumia ucio ni amuhithire na thĩinĩ nyũmba yake yana thĩinĩ akĩmuhitha na agĩtigĩra ni acokia mirango na ni ahata nja mutumia ucio marutire wa kuhithĩrĩra na kuhe itungati irio Ngai amũrathime na mũtũhoere tondũ nĩtũrabatara mahoya.
Very quickly, I want to say that obviously that the people of Nyandarua stand strongly with the people of Kiambu. We are here because the approach that the state has taken us by surprise. Because the victim has been brought here all the way to Nyeri. A center was been erected in Kiambu to come with give evidence of what, in our opinion, we believe was
and you can see with us is a delegation of members of parliament, but the key interest is Senator Karungo. So we are here because we were summoned. We want to see the person who has summoned us. We hope we're in the region office, right?
Okay, we can enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are clear with the secretary.
Asanteni sana. Bwana.
We are not many.
Excuse me. Because you have the people who make organizations and budgets.
Tutasimama. Hatuna
Ni wangapi? Anything beyond 10, I will not take.
Usalimie na utuombee jamani.
Nimekusalimia there's one. We have issues of safety, we have issues of COVID.
But you see, would have been more than this.
I'm not handling more than 10 people.
That's okay, we are not.
So let me have
because I'm the lawyer and who has come with them, and each every person has a role to respond to.
And every person,
it's either you admit us, you don't admit us.
na kila boma iko na sheria yake.
Then take us to a bigger
room.
Take us to a bigger room.
Muuliza mkubwa. Ukiangalia no.
Wacha tusikizane hapo.
Ya tunasikizana.
Wacha tusikizane hapo.
We are not more than
I will
10.
not allow the entire town. Let me have
Actually 9.
You cannot and every person who is here has a role to play.
Yes, we are.
Mheshimiwa kaa chini. Haya. Kaa chini wewe. Wewe simama pande hii. Simama pande hii. So,
That's an advocate.
wakili.
Yes.
Sita pande hii kidogo.
That's a medium.
Wanangojea kidogo tafadhali. I'll be inviting you. Let me address
Don't let them hear the reason you have called us.
wakili ni boma yangu. Allow me to address this. I will have time with the media. There's no problem. I will talk to the media.
No, boss, I don't think you're being fair. These guys are working like you're working. You're allowed to do their job.
You are public.
Okay.
Sasa karibuni sasa. Wakili wacha maneno mengi.
We hope we're in the right place and we're not in the table room.
No, you know, this is the space that you people have given me.
Are we in the right place? Are we before the regional?
You are at the right place. Karibuni sana.
We're also in a public office, correct?
Yes. Of course. It's a public place. It's a public office.
Yes.
Where the government has allowed me to work from to serve the public.
Yeah, that's
And in every environment, there are protocols. You understand that, Wakili?
As long as
In every environment, there are protocols, and let us not breach that.
Yeah.
Because as much, niko na waheshimiwa hapa, the safety is concerned, my own safety is concerned, and that is very important. We will not say, hata sisi tukienda kwa mheshimiwa sio kila mtu atajazana hapo. It's always important.
Accepted.
We have complied.
Yes, compliant.
So karibuni sana.
Yeah.
You don't have your name tag, boss?
I will introduce myself. Karibuni sana. Dr. Mugambi is my name. I'm the Regional Criminal Investigations Officer, Central. Of course, najua wakili. Mheshimiwa namjua. Wakili namjua. Mheshimiwa namjua. Can the rest introduce themselves? Tunaanza hapa. Tukisonga hivi. Sasa? Yes.
So I'm your neighbor. My name is Neto. Mimi ndio senator wa Mko Nyandarua.
Senator alikuwa hapa. Na hata hujajua ofisi yako hapa mheshimiwa. Karibu.
Okay, I'm Nongari from Kiambu.
Kiambu,
yes.
Kiambu. Nani mwingine?
I'm Daniel from Kiambu. Senator.
Sorry? A friend to the senator. Okay.
I'm Kalicho Joseph from Kiambu, Rari, sub-county.
My name is Mheshimiwa Dama from Kiambu.
John Nyeru is my name. I'm the senator for the great county of Murang'a.
Wakili Gitari on behalf of Karungu, Senator.
Okay.
My name is Kawanjiro, Jubilee Youth Leader, Kiambu County.
Kawanjiro is jina inajulikana sana.
Hapana, si hiyo sio hiyo nasema.
Kawanjiro.
George Koimburi is my name, member for the constituency.
Okay.
Mheshimiwa Iganjo kutoka Kiambu County.
Ndewa Njiro ati.
Sasa.
Amushamba Kidongori.
Peter Mwadi, former immediate former MP.
Are you introducing yourself to me?
For the record also.
I also remember Mkemi.
I'm also Karungu along as Senator of Kenya.
Yeah. So if you may allow me then to address and take the floor here, because we are
Just
Si safari ni ndefu jamani.
Someone came around 11
Of the night.
to be here at 10 in the morning the next day.
Yaani tumerudi ile na siku.